The Fly and the Window. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. Have you ever seen a fly banging its head against a closed glass window? Try so hard. It buzzes aggressively. It uses all its willpower, but it dies on the windowsill. Just a few inches away, the door is wide open. That fly is you. You are using internal intention. You think success comes from pushing, fighting, and insisting. You try to break the wall with your forehead. Stop it. There is a different force available. The force that moves mountains. There are two kinds of intention. 1. Internal intention. I insist on getting this. It is limited by your physical strength. It is exhausting. 2. External intention. Circumstances arrange themselves so I get this. It is unlimited. Internal intention is trying to row a boat upstream against the current. External intention is hoisting a sail and letting the wind carry you. When you use external intention, you don't chase the butterfly. You stand still, and the butterfly lands on your shoulder. It feels like the world is working for you, not against you. How to activate it? Okay, how do I get this superpower? Simple but hard. You have to align your heart, soul, and your mind. Reason. Usually, your mind says, I want to be rich, but your heart says, I'm scared. This conflict blocks the flow. But when your mind and heart agree, yes, this is mine, and it is natural, a green light turns on in the universe. That is when coincidence happens. That is when luck strikes. External intention is the cool, calm conviction that it is already mine. Don't beg, just order. Imagine you are at a restaurant. Do you worry if the chef will cook for you? Do you beg the waiter? No, you simply order. You have zero doubt that the food will come. That creates external intention. Treat the universe like a restaurant. Don't beg. Just place your order and wait calmly. Stop banging your head against the glass. Look for the open door. The wind is waiting for you. In the next video, we will discuss the most important relationship in your life. The relationship with yourself, self-love. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.